Alex was a poor boy who lived in a small broken house. His family was very poor. They had little money and few things. Alex had a father, a mother, a brother and a sister. They were a happy family. But one day everything changed. Alex's father got very sick and they had no money for the doctor. His father's condition worsened and one day he died. The family was very sad and cried a lot. Alex promised his mother he would take care of her and his sister. His brother tried to help too. But one day he also got sick. There was no money to buy medicine, and Alex and his mother could only watch as his brother grew weaker. Soon his brother died too. Alex felt very alone and cried every night after his father and brother died. Alex's family became even poorer. His mother worked very hard cleaning houses and washing clothes, but it was not enough. Sometimes they had no food and went hungry. Alex wanted to help his mother. He promised her, "I will work hard. I will become rich one day and take care of you and my sister." His mother hugged him and said, "I believe in you, Alex. You are a good boy. Study hard and work hard. Never give up." Her words gave him hope. Alex loved to learn. He studied at home, read old books and learned English. He worked very hard every day and did not give up even when he was hungry. He wanted to keep his promise to his mother. Alex found small jobs cleaning streets, carrying heavy bags and working in a factory. The work was hard, his hands hurt and his back ached, but he did not stop. He needed to earn money for his family. Sometimes Alex cried when he was alone. He was sad and tired, but he remembered his promise. He wanted to make his mother proud. He kept studying English, learning new words every day and practicing speaking. He wanted to be ready for any chance. Alex had a friend named Lily. They grew up together, and Lily was kind and smart. Alex liked her very much, but Lily's family was not poor. They had money and wanted Lily to marry a rich man. One day, Lily's parents told Alex, "You are poor. You cannot marry Lily. She needs a better life." Alex was heartbroken. He loved Lily, but knew he was poor and had nothing to give her. Lily cried too because she loved Alex but had to obey her parents. Alex felt very sad and alone. He cried many nights but did not give up. He remembered his promise to his mother and sister and kept working hard. One day, a rich man came to the factory where Alex worked. The rich man's name was Mr. Johnson, the owner of the factory. Mr. Johnson heard Alex speaking English and was very surprised. "Who taught you English?" he asked. "I learned it myself," Alex replied. Mr. Johnson was impressed. He saw that Alex was smart and hard-working. "You have a talent," Mr. Johnson said. "I want to help you." He offered Alex a better job in his office. Alex was very happy and worked as Mr. Johnson's assistant. He learned many new things and worked very hard, always doing his best. Mr. Johnson trusted him more and more. Years passed and Alex continued to work hard. Mr. Johnson saw that Alex was loyal, honest, smart, and a quick learner. One day Mr. Johnson said, "Alex, you are ready. I want you to be the CEO of my company." Alex could not believe it. He thanked Mr. Johnson and promised to work even harder as the CEO. Alex made the company grow. He was very successful and made a lot of money. He did not forget his promise to his mother. Alex saved his money and bought a big house. He wanted to surprise his mother and sister. One day he brought them to the new house. "This is our new home," he said. His mother and sister cried with joy and hugged Alex. They were so proud of him. Alex kept his promise. He became rich and took care of his mother and sister. He never forgot his struggles and helped other poor children, giving them hope. He told them, "Never give up. Work hard and believe in yourself. You can achieve your dreams." Alex's mother looked at him with tears in her eyes. "You have made me very proud, Alex," she said. "You are a good son with a big heart." Alex hugged his mother and remembered all the hard times and his promise. His sister hugged him too. "You are the best brother," she said. Alex smiled. He was happy. He had kept his promise and made his family proud. Alex had found success through hard work and determination. He never forgot the lessons he learned and always remembered to be kind and help others. He knew how hard life could be and wanted to make the world a better place. He used his money to help poor families build schools and give scholarships to poor children. He always remembered his mother's words: "Study hard and work hard. Never give up." These words guided him through his life. He taught these lessons to others, wanting everyone to have a chance to succeed. Alex's life was full of challenges, but he overcame them. He became a symbol of hope and hard work. Many people looked up to him, inspired by his story. Alex knew that his journey was not just for himself, but for everyone who struggled like he did. Alex continued to work hard and help others. His mother and sister were always by his side. Together they made a happy family. They had tears of joy and hope for the future. Alex's story is a reminder that with hard work, determination, and a kind heart, anything is possible. No matter how difficult life may seem, there is always hope and a way to achieve your dreams.